Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. I wish you a happy new year. Today I want to show you another method of preserving pepper when you have it in abundance. Okay, if you're interested in this video, please keep watching. So this very day we had excess peppers from our garden and I did not want to freeze them. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through what I did to preserve them for longer use. First off, I took all the tips off. Now it's time to wash the pepper thoroughly, and the reason why I'm washing it is because there could be dirt from the soil. So I went ahead and washed, made sure there was no dirt on the pepper. After washing, I let it air dry. After drying, I go ahead and put it in my dehydrator. Depending on the quantity, you just keep watching it till it's completely dehydrated. and it should feel like this when it's completely dehydrated. That means there's no water in it. At this point, you can add any extra spices to the pepper. See how dry it is? See how it feels? This is how you know it's completely dehydrated. I then transfer the peppers into a blender. And blend. And there you have it. Assorted pepper mix. You can use this for all your recipes. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.